Hi, it's Chris here, and wanted to do this quick testimonial for something that has changed my life actually, but it's one that's perhaps difficult to openly talk about. My wife, through a friend of hers, had heard about a situation where the friend's husband had managed to enlarge his penis, and it took a few months and made a significant difference to the size. Anyway, we got chatting one night and my wife said, "Look, why don't you do it?" I thought, well, frankly, who doesn't want a larger penis? And if it's going to improve our sex life, well, great. And boy, has it improved our sex life. It's been about 3 months now, and I've grown 2.5 inches, which is just amazing. So thank you very much, John Collins. Been a difficult one to put this together for you, but for those people watching, the reason I'm doing it is because I've been so thrilled with the results. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope.
I was always happy with my size, but got divorced, and while some guys want to do sports car, I want to get my penis size up to 10 inches. I found the Penis Enlargement Bible and grew by 1.5 inches and got my mojo back. I have to say a big thanks to John Collins. He knows his stuff, and it's a no-brainer. If you want a bigger penis, get the PE Bible.
Hi, I'm Vanessa. My boyfriend Adam started using the Penis Enlargement Bible in secret. I really had no idea until I started noticing that it got bigger, just all of a sudden. So I told him, "Adam, you got bigger down there, and what's going on?" Just like I said, I had no idea. He told me he grew by 2.5 inches in 5 months, which I was really surprised. My relationship was fine, but now it's amazing because I feel so close to him, and our sex life is incredible, honestly, and all thanks to the Penis Enlargement Bible. This is a great product, I must say. So thank you so much, Mr. Collins. You're amazing. You made our relationship so much stronger, and it's not like it's all about sex, but it is kind of.
Hi there, my name's John and I'm 30 years old. I used to be very unhappy with the size of my penis, which used to be only 5 inches. However, I found the Penis Enlargement Bible. It started slowly and it's taken 3 months, but I'm now 7 inches and I feel much happier. I'd like to say thanks to John Collins, and I am happy to do this video if it helps other men to get a bigger penis.